Hi, good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are all fine. Welcome to Nirbhaya High School, Padmanagar Phase 2, Chintal, Digital Learning Classes to understand the subject easily. I am your English teacher, Astalakshmi ma'am. Children, good morning to everyone. Today's topic is about pronoun. Till now we have learnt about nouns, no? Today I am going to tell about pronoun. What is pronoun? First, what is pronoun, children? Pronoun is a word which is used instead of a noun. The pronoun is used instead of a noun. Instead of a noun. You know what is the noun, children? Noun is a naming word. Yes, the names of people, things, animals, places are nouns. Instead of that, we are using the word, that word is called as pronoun. Now, for example, I said Ram is a good boy. I'm talking about Ram now. Ram is a good boy. Ram handwriting is good. Ram is very good. We are talking like that means every time we are writing Ram is good boy. Okay, Ram is good boy. Again, I'm writing here Ram handwriting is good. Ram handwriting is good. Why I just every time I should write Ram. Why? In the first sentence we wrote Ram is good boy. Ram is a good boy. Now, I will not write Ram here. I will write he. What it is, children? I will not write Ram. I will write he. Then the he, this word is pronoun. For the boys, we will use he. Yes, children. For the girls, we will pronounce she. We will write she. I wrote now Rani. Rani I wrote means every time I can't write Rani. It is a very this thing. Yes. So we are using the word she. She is a good girl. She is very talented. Like that we are using the pronoun there. Understood, children? Instead of a noun, we are using the words. That words are pronouns. Understood, children? Everyone have understood this? Pronoun. Instead of the word which is used instead of a noun is pronoun. Like he, she. Yes, children. These are the pronouns. And more pronouns are there. We will see now. Okay, children? See here, children, pronoun. I said no. Now, I said that pronoun is instead of a noun. Yes. Now see here. Here the singular form and the plural forms are also there in the pronouns. See, this is these parts. These pronouns comes under the naming part of a sentence. Means it can be a subject. Okay, children. See here, I. In the singular form, I. He, she, it, you. I. I am the great child. You will tell, no, I am the good girl. I am the good girl. I am the good boy. They will be telling, yes, here I. Instead of noun, we are writing here I. He. He is a naughty boy. He is a good boy. He is an intelligent boy. Coming to she. She is a, yes, she is a beautiful girl. She is a beautiful girl. Like this, the examples I am giving you. How we will use this form. Here she. We are talking about one person, one thing is called as singular form. More than one, it is called as plural form. Everyone knows this. Yes, children? Everyone know about the singular and plural forms? Singular means one. When we are talking about one thing, it is a singular form. When we are talking about more than one thing, it is a plural form. Understood, children? Singular form and plural form. Now here, singular pronouns. What are they? I, he, she, it, you. And coming to the plural form, what we will use? We, they, you. In the singular form also you, in the plural form also you only. Remember this point, children. And here, we, they. We are studying. We are studying in 5th class. Means we are having so many members. Including me, I will tell we are studying in 5th class or we are studying in 4th class. Like this. They are, yes, they are the heroes. They are heroines. We are telling that. Means a group of people. We are calling them. Yes. Here you. Plural also you only. Yes, singular also you only. Understood, children? This comes under the naming part of the sentence. Naming part of the sentence. And here, this part. Here also the singular pronouns and the plural pronouns are there. See here, singular pronoun me, him, her, it, you. And the plural form us, them, you. Understood, children? Here see singular form me, him, her, it, you. And the plural form, us, them, you. Understood, children? This, say children, here me, him, her, it, you, I said. This is all the form on the singular form. Yes, when you will use this word, telling part means of this, telling part means what? We are talking about something about them. Yes, children, it's a noun part. It is a naming part. It is a telling part. It is a subject and it is an object. Understood, children? Subject, object. Plural form is what? Me, him, her, it, you. Singular form. Plural form is what? Hers, them, you. What is the singular form here? Me, him, her, it, you. Us, them, you. See here, me. You called me. You called me. Yes, children, you called me. You hear what? You. I said, here you comes subject called. It's a verb and me. What it is? Me is a object. Understood, children? Means the telling part. Telling part means it tells something about the. Understood, children? This is about the pronoun. Pronouns are of different types are also there. We will see that also. Okay, children? Once again, see. Pronouns are what? Instead of a noun, we are using the words. That words are called as pronouns. Instead of a noun, we are using the words. That words are called as pronouns. See here, these are the naming part of pronouns. What are the naming part? See, when we are talking about that, talking about them. Yes, children. The noun main part will be there, no? That is the naming part. See here, singular form. I, he, she. It, you. Plural form. We, they, you. Understood? And the next part is telling part. It tells more about that. Okay. Means object part. Here this is a subject part and here it is an object part. See here, me, him, her, it, you. Us, them, you. Here these are the singular pronouns. What are the singular pronouns? Me, him, her, it, you. And coming to the plural pronouns, us, them, you. You ask them. We'll tell you ask them. Yes, children. Here them. It is an object. Okay, these are about the pronouns. Pronouns are this. Pronouns are instead of a noun. The words which are used, they are pronouns. Now, we will see here children, different types of pronouns. What are the different types of pronouns? Personal pronoun, indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, and reflexive pronoun. Have you understood this, children? See here, you know about the pronoun. I have explained you about the pronoun. Yes, pronouns are words which are used instead of a noun. Yes, what is the noun, children? Nouns are naming words. Now here, pronouns, different types of pronouns. Personal pronoun. I will explain you this all about tomorrow. These are all pronouns tomorrow. Okay, children? Now, see what are the types of pronouns. Once repeat after me. Personal pronoun. Personal pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. Indefinite pronoun. Relative pronoun. Relative pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Possessive pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Interrogative pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. Reflexive pronoun. Here, children, in this all, you can easily identify what is interrogative pronoun. Yes, children. Interrogative pronoun means what? When it forms the question. The noun, instead of a noun, we are using the pronoun and it is in the question form. That is called as interrogative pronoun because it is very easy, no? Every time we are learning in the errors also we are learning, no? Punctuation marks we are learning. In that also interrogative sentences we are learning. Interrogative means what? Questioning. Yes, children. These are the different types of pronouns. Have you understood about the pronouns, children? And we will learn about these pronouns tomorrow. Okay, everyone have understood this? Pronouns and types of pronouns. And you should write the notes also, children. Have you understood or not? I hope everyone are writing your notes. And I wanted you to conduct ST also. And copy these two questions and write it in your book, ST. Understood, children? See. What is a noun? First question. Second one. See here. Question. Write this as ST, children. Understood? In your homework book, write it as a ST. Understood? What is a noun? And here, types of, classify the nouns. Classify the nouns with examples. These two questions only. Means what? Here, how many types of nouns are there? Write the definitions and write the one example for each noun. Understood, children? Write the example for each noun. Understood? These two questions write as ST. What is a noun? What is a noun? And classify the nouns with examples. Classify the nouns means what? What are the classification of nouns are there? Yes? You know, common noun, proper noun, these are all nouns. Write the definition or write the example for one noun. Write the name of the noun and write the example. You can write, means the definition also you can write about that. Understood, children? These two questions write as ST, and tomorrow we will learn about the types of pronouns. Everyone have understood this? I hope everyone have understood this, and write your notes, children. We are discussing about pronoun, no? A pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun. A pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. Here I am giving an example for you, children. See here. Mr. Tarun is a bus driver. Mr. Tarun drives children to school every day. Mr. Tarun is a jovial man. Here, what is Mr. Tarun? It's a noun. Mr. Tarun is a noun. Yes, children. In this sentence, Mr. Tarun, it is a noun. So, instead of a noun, we use pronoun. What are the examples we'll see here? Mr. Tarun is a bus driver. He drives children to school every day. He is a jovial man. Here, he. We are using, instead of Mr. Tarun, he. In the first sentence, we have used Mr. Tarun. In the second sentence, we are not using Mr. Tarun. We are using he. Means it's a pronoun. Instead of a noun, we are using pronoun. See here, a pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. A pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. A pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. We have seen the example, yes, about Mr. Tarun. Now we are going to learn the more about the pronouns. See here, the words I, you, he, she, it, we, and they are pronouns that come in the naming part of the sentence. We should never cheat others. Here see, we should never cheat others. See the singular and plural forms, children. Singular is I, he, she, it, you. Plural is we, they, you. Understood, children? See once again, the words I, you, he, she, it, we, and they are pronouns that come in the naming part of the sentence. Naming part means what? In the subject. In the place of subject. Understood, children? Singular is I, he, she, it, you. In the plural form, we, they, you. Understood, children? See here. The words me, him, her, it, us, you, and them are also pronouns. They come in the telling part of a sentence. The words me, him, her, it, us, you, and them are also pronouns. They come in the telling part of a sentence. Example, he is my father, I love him. He is my father, I love him. Understood, children? See here, singular pronoun me, him, her, it, you. Plural pronouns us, them, you. Here telling part means what, children? We are telling something about the person. We are telling something about the person. Understood? Singular pronoun and plural pronouns. We will see some examples here. Nikki has a pet. It is a dog. They are my grandparents. I help them. Understood, children? Nikki has a pet. It is a good dog. They are my parents. I help them. These are the words. Say example. See here once again. The word me, him, her, it, us, you and them are also pronouns. They come in the telling part of a sentence. Example, he is my father. I love him. Understood, children? Types of pronouns. We have said no. Personal, indefinite, relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, and interrogative pronoun. We are going to see these pronouns. I said According to that, we will give the definitions. I will give the examples also, children. What are the types of pronouns? Personal pronoun, indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, and interrogative pronoun. Once again, children, a pronoun is a word that takes place in place of a noun. A pronoun is a word that takes place of a noun or nouns in a sentence. Example you have seen, no? This is your example. And see here the words I, you, he, she, it, we and they are pronouns. The words I, you, he, she, it, we and they are pronouns that come in the naming part of the sentence. See a singular I, he, she, it, you. I, he, she, it, you. Singular. Plural, we, they, you. Here singular means what? Only one. Plural means what? More than one. Yes, children. The words me, him, her, it, us, you and they. The words me, him, her, it, us, you and them are also pronouns. They come in the telling part of a sentence. He is my father. I love him. Singular. Me, him, her, it, you. Plural. Us, them, you. These are the singular form and plural forms. Understood, children? This is about the pronouns. And we are having the types of pronouns. Personal pronoun, indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun, reflexive pronoun, possessive pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, and interrogative pronouns. These are the pronouns. We will discuss later.